Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So listen, you guys, I have been watching O'Brien on his social media, and you guys, I have to say I am disappointed by how O'Brien was on the show, because I kind of feel like he is not a bad guy. And when you watch his social media, I'm like confused ukuthi why didn't he give us what he is giving the people on social media? How come it was so difficult for him to just relax and have fun and not be so tense all the time on the show? I don't know if that is how they edited the show, but the guy that you see on social media is so much more calm and funny and fun, but on the show, he was just upset all the time for no reason. No reason at all. Like he got the most beautiful woman, and most of us were hopeful about this relationship. Out of all of the relationships on Mavs season 3, this was one relationship where we were like, maybe if we walk away with a couple that will stay together, these are the people that are going to stay together. Hayi, ubhuti decided ukuthi yena no 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 no, akasona yena isiyoyoyo, akasona isiyoyoyo. And then things went bad, you guys. But on social media, he has done something that most people after doing the show they don't do, which is reflect, and take accountability and be able to say, you know what, I overreacted there. I shouldn't have said this. I shouldn't have said that. And I'm sorry, you guys. I'm sorry to Lorinda. This was wrong for me to say. I overreacted here, I overreacted there. I really do like his response, you guys, when it comes to how he has seen himself on the show. I mean, as a person, you guys, I mean, the best you can do is learn from your mistakes and grow. I am sad that they did not end up together with Lorinda. And maybe it's a good thing because I feel like there is something that was triggering him when it comes to the relationship that they had with Lorinda. And yeah, I'm sad that they did not work out, but it sounds like it was a period of growth for him. Okay. And I do like the fact that he is taking accountability. He's not blaming anybody. He's not even blaming production, which is what most of these guys would do. They would say, this is how they edited the show. That's not what I said. That's not what I did, and all of that. He is taking accountability and saying, listen, give me a chance. I am growing and changing as a person. I can see where I went wrong. I did not need to say this. I did not need to do that. I did not need to do this. So, yes, you guys, I love his response. And I also wish that the guy on social media was the same guy that we got on the show. But on the show, Sithole Ihoho. Sithole Ihoho nje on the show. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before we're going to share it with your friends, with your family, and even strangers. Ngithanda kakhulu.
Sanbonani. I've always promised myself, Uguti, I'll never, post about the show. But with this one, I just had to, guys. I really had to. Because it hits deep. It really does. I watch the show the same way you guys do. I never know what to expect in that show. But when I watched the previous episode, I cringed. When I watched the highlights of the next episode, I cringed. When I was accused of blanket shoving, my overreaction, I cringed. And for me, I'm a work in progress. And the good news is that as soon after Statuk Shooter, I started getting into, some guidance, some counseling, some therapy with an amazing lady who's just helped me over the years. But we had to tap into what really triggers me as a person and how that can also be deemed as aggressive when I talk, emotional. And it's something that I need to fix and perfect. Which not every action deserves a reaction. You know, not if, and even if you do have some form of reaction, you know, stay calm. Stay calm. You know, could be the many things that I've been through in life, which I'm not going to put a blame on. But could be that situation. And yeah, it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. I cringe, and I'm not proud of it. So mangena kuma comments and kulmanani, it's already someone who's already started the process of rebuilding himself to become a better father, a better partner, a son, a brother, a better friend. Which not every action deserves a reaction, and just stay calm. Yeah, I've struggled with that for years, but I'm getting better. You know, I'm getting better. You know. And in Married at First Sight, I will never regret that experience. The best experience of my life. Best experience. Because for me, it's a blessing. Because I'm able to see myself from the outside looking in. For everyone who got triggered with me being emotional, for everyone I've disappointed, ngiyaxolisa. Yeah, I am really sorry. You know? But as you watch the show, you're gonna see other things. No problem. I own up to it. But allow me to grow from this experience. Yabo? The jokes and everything. Asasonke, guys. That's funny. That's funny. But the rest of the things, yes, definitely. You know, it's a learning curve, man. You know, that show, the experts, you know, listening to people. Remember also when when you run your own business, you're not always around people. You're a decision maker on your own. You're doing this. Guys, it was a learning experience. I needed to be in that environment so much. I needed to be in that environment, and I'm grateful for it. So ngiyabonga, guys. Much appreciated. Keep on watching the show. And something else that I wanted to address, what I mean, I've never said I have money. So go ahead and assume whatever you want to assume. Ngawa, ngavuga, in life, it's the nature of what I've chosen as a career so that I feed my family. As long as my kids, as long as my family eats, ngimnandi. Yangithola kanjani? So belittling my efforts to feed my wife, you know, angisumuntu ophekayo. So ngithengele sister or something, ngithengele burger. Yo, take it how you want to take it. But I've never been one to say nemali. No, I definitely do not dress like my problems. I don't. I try every day. So the insults of money, they don't impact me at all. They don't. In fact, I struggle to just siyasazi mfethu mina ngiphume emarumini. Uyangithola kanjani? Ngiphume emarumini mina, ngiphuma umkhukhu ngiyawucava mina. And you can't insult me with that. Yeah, well, you can't. And for other comments about township, so what? Doesn't mean that I cannot be a better person. Yeah, well? So, yeah, there's a new, guys, relaxani mafit. It is what it is. In fact, one thing the mali, next day ang nayo. Life le. Now you go through the same thing. Yeah, well.